Telecommunication, or the lifesaver as others may call it, is a medium that has not just come to stay, but has come to improve the lives of even the commonest of people in the society. Its birth in Ghana has created various job opportunities for many people apart from its strong involvement in the building of the nation Ghana. This inspired Mr. Kwame Lanyo, who is a scholarly person in this field, to contribute his quota to the eligible cause. He believed that in order to build a strong nation, one needs to build a vibrant communication industry.
Admin Telecom was created in UK in 2004. Our major client was Nef Telecom, based in France. We worked with them for 2 years, and finally when I decided to settle in Ghana, I started working with MTN at that time, which was Areba. But during that time, finding engineers wasn't easy at all. So we started training our own engineers, but then we found out that there was a big market for even our trained engineers. As soon as we train them, they find a market. Therefore, we decided to create an environment, a medium, whereby we can train simple telecom standard so that we can use it as a source of getting engineers for ourselves and then giving them to other subcontractors.
This led to the establishment of Admin City Holdings Group of companies about a decade ago. Admin City, as a mother company operating in the telecommunication and associated technology industries with a strong project management principle, houses sub-companies such as Admin Telecom Academy, Admin Agency, and Admin Tech Limited.
If you look at the way it is, each is related to the other. In Admin Telecom, we have already experienced engineers working with that. In Admin Telecom Academy, we have instructors who are experienced engineers who instruct students. And then we have Admin Telecom Agency, that is, we are able to train the students and then give them as resources to the subcontractors and then the vendors.
Admin City, with its over 10 years experience in the telecom industry, has satisfied quite a number of multinational telecom companies such as MTN, Huawei, Ericsson. As a result of Admin Telecom's enviable rich experience in providing standard classified telecom solutions such as base solution installations, automation, co-location, site surveys, and other telecom maintenance and operations related to services, Admin Telecom Academy was born.
At Admin Telecom Academy, we are not trying to compete with the universities. We are trying to bridge the gap between the industry and the telecom technicians or the graduates on the field. What we realized was that when the university graduates finish, they don't have any practical platform. And therefore, that is how come we set up this particular training.
Admin Telecom Academy has the main intention of training students who come in here to equip them with practical skills so that when they get out of here, they can get jobs easily and that they'll be able to perform on the job.
There's a serious growing market within the telecom industry, but the issue is training is not as easy as that, in the sense that we have the academia and then we have the industry. The industry is dynamic and very busy environment, so it is not as easy as that taking someone and training them. At the same time, the academia hasn't got the experienced people who are practically qualified to train them from the university. So what we are trying to do is to bridge the gap between the academia and then the industry. Why and how do we do that? Because we have already existing trained telecom engineers, and we are using them now as instructors to train the university graduates.
Admin Telecom Academy has trained countless people who are gainfully employed with multinational telecom companies. The course outline at Admin Telecom Academy benefits even those new to the field that need to learn key concepts, design principles, and deployment considerations that underline all RF systems. The school has the capacity to train and retrain staff from major telecom operators, equipment vendors, service providers, and multinational telecom companies. Admin Telecom Academy is well equipped with all the state-of-the-art equipment for telecom training. This has attracted many foreign nationals to participate in their training program.
I completed my education. Basically what we did, pure theory. So as engineer, you must know a bit things in practicals. So from some friends who came here and they did their practical here, they really enjoyed it and it was really good. So I've started. So far I'm not disappointed. And things were going very well. We were at least going, even as lady you have to climb the pole and be working, touching things and doing installation. I'm doing my training in transmission. So you dismantle your radio, micro radio and mount it and work on the indoor unit, outdoor unit. You do everything.
I don't have any background in telecommunication. This school has been the basics, as in the start. I've learned the basics of telecommunications in this school and it's really helping a lot.
I graduated from the university. As of now, I'm a full engineer. I felt the need to come and know the practicals. So when I'm in the field and I'm supervising, I know what they are doing. I can also take upon myself to work on it.
We bring every tool or make available any equipment that the students will need for the training to make them be able to adapt to it or get used to it before they go to the field to work.
We have different types of equipment over here. Lots and lots of equipment. We have a live site. Just like when you go out to sites, the way everything is, we have a live site over here. And not just that, we even take the students out to sites when there is a need. We take them out to see actually what is going on.
I'm exposed to whatever I'm doing. I'm exposed to my materials I'm working with. The RBS, the antennas, name it, whatever it is. You know, I always work with them. Whatever practical I have to do, I do it with them and all that. So you have the opportunity to see more of what you really want to do.
Here in Admin Telecom, we get to see all the instruments and the tools. I get to make use of each and every one of them. We get to play with them, we get to learn how they work and how they are being used.
Admin Telecom Academy trains people in GSM, BTS, and antenna installation, maintenance and integration, tower climbing safety and rescue certification, site electrical power installation and maintenance, microwave PDH or SDH installation and maintenance, fiber optic technology, splicing and testing, GSM map info software and drive test data capture and analysis, and GSM site supervisory skills training. Most of the courses runs for a maximum of 4 weeks, and students have options of full-time or weekend schedule.
We have a schedule for workers. We have people from corporate bodies coming here for trainings, okay? It depends on the amount of time that is specified for us. If you want a training in less than a week, we can give you a training, okay? We can even change the whole curricula to suit the corporate body coming, okay? Because they have different needs. They have reasons why they want to train their personnel. So we tailor the training actually to the needs of the corporate body that is coming to us.
Admin Telecom Academy has a dedicated team of highly experienced trainers who are specialists in their field. Students have the opportunity to not just study the theory, but also the practical aspect of their training is made available.
If you look at Admin Telecom Academy, and Admin Telecom Agency, there is a logic pattern in the sense that Admin Telecom is an active company with experience working with all the vendors. So when we are training people, it means that we are using active engineers to train within the Admin Telecom Academy.
We teach standards, okay? We actually very strictly adhere to standards because it's very important to adhere to standards.
To top it all, each of them train across a wide range of programs, and students enjoy the skill as their trainers' versatility means they can deliver training at all levels, and this gives the student an in-depth engineering training.
We try to take specified number of students. That means that we don't cross a certain number. And for the classes, most of the classes, we don't go beyond 10 per class. We do this mainly to be able to have time for all the students so that the instructor will be able to tell how each student is doing. If any students need personal attention, the instructor will be able to provide that.
In my class, for example, we are 10. And the lecturers, he's not behaving like I'm the lecturer. He's open to us. We can ask questions anyhow. We will explain things to you. You can ask the same question several times. And in the environment, we are really free. We can explain things to each other. We are like a family, if I can express myself like that.
Due to the fact that we are few in the class, we get to interact with the lecturers freely and our mates too, so it's very easy to communicate with each other while we're in class. Even the practical section, we get to work together with all and each of the equipment, so no one is left behind.
All courses guarantee students of an in-depth knowledge in their field of study and a hands-on practical experience. All programs have equal and high demands in the telecom industry. Admin Telecom Academy's reputation of a high standard training in the telecom industry is more than enough assurance for one grabbing a job with any company in the telecom industry.
The aims and objective of Admin Telecom Academy is to train students to meet international standards as well as vendor standards. When I talk about vendor standards, I'm talking about Nokia Siemens standards, Huawei standards, Ericsson standards, and other vendors. By training you within these standards, we can guarantee that you can work anywhere in the world, since these are international standards.
And we do not just aim at achieving that, but we have actually achieved it. I say that because there are students, many students who've left here who are currently working in the various industries where they wanted to be from the start.
Initially, I did the first one, the radio access, then wanted to upgrade. So I came to do the fiber. And then that one pushed me to my current place of work now, which is Tigo.
Before coming here, I had been looking for a job all along. But 2 months after the study, I had a good job with Huawei Telecom.
Students who have left Admin Telecom, they find it easy out there in the job market.
From what I've learned here, it's like having 2 years experience of working and all that. So by all means, I know I have a job already waiting for me.
One of the advantages of telecom is wide. You can work in everywhere. You can work in the bank, you can work in the airport, telecom company, in the oil company, and every sector you can work with. I'm confident that when I leave Ghana, I will get a better job in Equatorial Guinea with the telecom industry.
Our projection, first, is to make Ghana the hub of telecom engineers. Second, to reduce the ratio of expatriate to Ghana-oriented engineers. Third, is to make sure that we export Ghanaian engineers to West Africa and probably the world as a whole.
For further enquiries, contact Admin Telecom on 030-2518-798 or 0540-220-330, or you can visit our website on www.admincity.com or send us a mail via admt@admincity.com. Admin Telecom Academy, a practical platform for telecom engineers.